Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to hide comments in Word without deleting them. So let's get started. So firstly, we are opening Word, Microsoft Word. Here we will see comment will be display. Now it's time to hide comment using the review tab. Go to review, look for markup. Here you will see, click on the drop down that says all markup. Then select no markup, and that's it. All comments will now be hidden from view, but they are not deleted. If you want to show them again, just select again all markup. If you want to permanently delete this, click on three dots. Here you will see delete thread. Click on it. The comment will be deleted successfully. And that's it, how you hide comments in Microsoft Word. If this video helped you, don't please like, share and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.